the presses from 425 magazine, the Jungle Bird. This looks amazing setup.
Yes, I had planned on it. I saw it too.
Okay,
so
then.
the cocktail's called the Jungle Bird. We're gonna make that from 425 magazine. It came from a restaurant called the Le Grand. Hi, I'm Kelly, Queen Bee of Queen Bee Mixology, and this is my sidekick, Cindy.
Hello.
So one of the interesting things about this unique drink is it has this liqueur. It's called St. Elizabeth's Allspice.
It's got a rum base, and it has notes of cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg.
Yes, it's a Jamaican liqueur.
Yeah.
So it's very crucial to, I guess, you know, some Jamaican
Tropical drinks,
something
I
like
don't
that.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you would like it, and obviously I was right. So
Absolutely.
maybe we should make one.
Yes.
Awesome.
Let's do that. We were going to do a half of a lime.
Nice.
There we go.
Okay.
Cool. So we're gonna have some pineapple juice.
100% pineapple juice.
3/4. There we go. All right, so next we're gonna do Campari.
Campari. You love Campari.
I do. We're gonna do 3/4 of Campari. And I bet you that's what adds this beautiful flavor or color. There we go. Oh. And then we have, yes.
We love this rum. Remember?
Oh my gosh. You have to try this one. This is plantation pineapple though. It's very important. It's not just the plantation rum, but it's the pineapple rum. So we're gonna do 3/4 of that. And then the allspice. So this is gonna be
The
very,
mystery ingredient, if you will.
yeah. Wow.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's like fall in a jar.
it is, yes.
Like don't fall in a jar. The season of fall in a jar.
Wow, that is going to be unique. Thank you.
Yeah.
There we go.
I have to find things to do while you're shaking. There's really nothing else for me to do.
I know it, right? Oh,
Yes.
that looks amazing. Then we're gonna just garnish it with a candied pineapple.
The recipe says dried pineapple.
But this makes it a little sweet in the jar. Sweet. This makes it a little sweet in the little candy. Something. I don't know what
Just
it
say
makes
sweet.
it, yeah.
Just makes it sweet.
Makes it a little sweet treat.
Right.
There's your little sweet treat.
Oh,
that was
put
rough.
it down my gullet.
There you have it. The Jungle Bird, a unique cocktail we found in 425 magazine.
From Le Grand Bistro.
Let's give it a try. Oh, wow. That allspice makes the drink. That is definitely Queen Bee approved.